Hello and welcome to Own Your Health with me, Katie Brindle. And if you've just been listening to my gut health podcast, then I finished it by saying that I would invite everyone to join me on a gut health meditation. The beautiful, charming clock in the background, perfect. And so the idea of this is to really invite you into a little bit of advanced relaxation. Lots of people think that meditation is something that they can't do. I've talked about that in my podcast. There's episodes on that with introductions to meditations as well. But this one is particularly aimed at just calming the spinning out feeling that we get when we're dealing with life. And actually, what we need to be doing is focusing on digesting our food, which is what we're going to do now. Okay. So, the first thing to do before we start any meditation is to meet your body where it is. Normally, when we enter into meditation, we are frazzled, okay? And if you're feeling frazzled, then the best thing to do is to shake the body, okay? So just meeting yourself where you are. The more frazzled you are, the longer and the more you need to shake. Please always ensure when you're shaking that you're being safe, okay? Because I don't know what your body's conditions are. So just a shake. If a shake is too much for you, just a little shimmy, and then we go to a sway. I'm already quite relaxed. My dog's decided that this is his moment. He knows that the energy is shifting in the room. So the sway then takes that fidget energy, which you've now shaken off, because we're transitioning out of that horrible feeling of exhausted yet restless, that sort of frazzled feeling, into relaxed yet energized. And then very soon we're going to take that all the way into a meditation to support digestion. So just start to sway, maybe close your eyes and just slow the breath. We're not forcing anything. You can just take a nice, beautiful, deep breath in and just sigh. Ah, and perhaps just allow the shoulders to shrug. Ah. And now just allow the breath to soften and slow. So we're just going to breathe gently in, linger at the top of the breath, breathe gently out, and linger at the bottom of the breath. Come in. That's it. And just allow yourself that space at the top and at the bottom of each breath. If you're still feeling slightly fidgety, just keep with that gentle sway, just allowing the neck to come last, creating a gentle S shape until you desire stillness. You'll reach a point where the body doesn't want to fidget anymore, it wants to sit still. And then just gently take your hands to your lower belly. And gently breathe in and out, taking your awareness down to your lower belly. Being aware of your hands gently clasped. Feeling that gentle pressure down on the lower belly. And with each exhale, imagine all of the stresses and the strains of the last few hours gently steaming out of the body, steaming through every pore of the skin, out through the nose. And as we linger at the bottom of the breath, just allow yourself to rest in that stillness, a moment of regulation. And then breathe gently back in. And at the top of each breath, as you linger, just imagine that breath entering this space and nourishing at the deepest level, insubstantial and yet essential to every metabolic function of the body. Gently in and out. When the body is empty of breath, allow it to linger in the stillness and allow it to come back to its natural, innate regulation. And as we breathe in, we draw the beautiful, sublime, divine energy into that space, drawing in peace and harmony, divine stillness, cascading down from the highest of heavens. And as we breathe out, imagine all of the negativity, the discombobulation, the thinking, the worrying, away out through the skin and out through the nose, leaving nothing but space and peace. And if your attention wanders, simply take it back down to your lower belly, smiling down. Gently breathing in and out, with space at the top and at the bottom of every breath, elongating the spaces, allowing the body a moment to regulate and assimilate. Be aware of the food, gently moving through your belly, the warmth, the love, and the nourishment. With every breath of the body, the expansion and contraction of your diaphragm, allowing the movement and the squeezing function of the intestines, moving the food through its passage, drawing out the nutrients. All of the glorious assimilation, all of the nutrition and the health, the energy, as it moves into the bloodstream, nourishing every cell of your body, allowing your spleen, the organ of digestion, a moment of care and attention. The spleen, an organ of softness, of romance, of tenderness, gentleness. Imagine it luxuriating in the slow, gentle breath, rolling like a breeze through the body so relaxed, as if a warm summer's day. Breathing gently in and out, lingering at the top and at the bottom of every breath, regulating the body, slowing down the stress response, gently moving into a blissfully relaxed state where absorption and processing are the priority. Feel the warmth in the belly. Feel the love of the self as you feed and nourish. And when you're ready, gently come back. Take your attention back up to behind your eyes and blink to come back to the room. And just notice how that feels. Just a few minutes of calm to just allow your food to settle. In an ideal world, we take 20 minutes at the end of eating to relax and allow the body to absorb and allow that process to take place. And often we don't have that time available. So just a few minutes of that deeper meditation to just allow the body to highway itself into a relaxed state, to just bypass the stress and just allow everything to be more relaxed so it can now in turn absorb your food. Thank you for joining me.